Hello students, last part we have studied about the different types of decomposition reaction. There are mainly three types of decomposition reaction. First one is thermal decomposition, light decomposition, electric decomposition. We have already studied about these three types of decomposition reactions. Last one we will study about the electric decomposition. What is electric decomposition reaction? The chemical reaction in which a single reactant break down into two or more products due to electricity, that is called electric decomposition reaction. This reaction is also we have already studied. But now how the gases can produce hydrogen and oxygen and what amount of gases are produced, we can show with an activity. How you can show that? The electric decomposition reaction, there are two types of gases, hydrogen and oxygen produced, and the amount of one gas is double than the other. एक गैस की अमाउंट डबल होती है दूसरी से, किस प्रकार से शो करेंगे? टेक ए प्लास्टिक मग मेकिंग टू होल्स एट द बॉटम. इसके बॉटम में दो आप होल कर देंगे विद ए रबर स्टॉपर and put two graphite rod in each hole. And these graphite rods are then attached with a 6-volt battery. की बैटरी 6 volt. It means there are 3 cells. Each cell has 2 volt potential difference. This one is negative and this one is positive. It is attached to the cathode and the positive towards the anode. Take 2 test tube filled with water. 2 टेस्ट ट्यूब लीजिए और फिल विद वाटर एंड पुट इन्वर्टेड एट द ईच ग्रेफाइट रोड. दिस वन इज ग्रेफाइट रोड. टेस्ट ट्यूब. एज वी स्विच ऑन द बैटरी, जैसे ही बैटरी को स्विच ऑन करते हैं, इन वन टेस्ट ट्यूब द बबल्स ऑफ गैस इज डबल देन द अदर. एनोड विल शो द ऑक्सीजन, प्रेजेंस ऑफ ऑक्सीजन एंड कैथोड विल शो द हाइड्रोजन. One gas amount is double. In one test tube, the gas amount of formation gas is double than the other. Which gas amount is double? Can you say that? We can also study about how the water is produced. Water produced when 2 molecules of oxygen, hydrogen combined with 1 molecule of oxygen produce water. It means hydrogen 2 molecules combined with 1 molecule of oxygen. It shows that the amount of hydrogen will be doubled than the oxygen. Why? 1 atom of hydrogen, 1 molecule of oxygen combined with 2 molecule of oxygen, hydrogen, then it produce hydrogen, hydrate or means water. It shows that the amount of hydrogen gas is double than the oxygen, because 2 molecules of hydrogen combine with 1 molecule of oxygen and produce water. It shows that we always take double amount of molecules of hydrogen than the oxygen. That's it. This process can we show that we can say that the formation of hydrogen gas is double than the oxygen. This activity can be shown by the diagram. Next, displacement reaction. What is displacement reaction? डिस्प्लेस करना मतलब किसी चीज को वहां से हटा देना, रिमूव कर देना. व्हाट इज डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन? द केमिकल रिएक्शन in which a more reactive element displaces a less reactive element from its salt solution. ऐसी केमिकल रिएक्शन जिसके अंदर हम किसी भी साल्ट का सॉल्यूशन उसमें किसी मेटल को मिलाते हैं तो हाईली रिएक्टिव जो एलिमेंट है वो लेस रिएक्टिव को डिस्प्लेस कर देगा, खुद उसके स्थान पे रिएक्ट हो जाएगा. दैट इज कॉल्ड डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन. फॉर एग्जांपल वी टेक आयरन नेल्स. द कलर ऑफ आयरन नेल्स इज ग्रे कलर. फ्रेश आयरन नेल्स put into the copper sulfate solution CuSO4. Copper sulfate solution color is blue. After some time later we can say that the solution color changed from blue to green, and the formation of green solution which show the formation of FeSO4, ferrous sulfate, and copper displaces, that is brown color. This brown color copper deposited on iron. It means when we put iron nails in copper sulfate solution, the color of copper sulfate solution which was firstly blue change into green. That shows the formation of ferrous sulfate. Means ferrous reaction with sulfate, ferrous sulfate and copper is displaced. It means ferrous is more reactive than iron. Most reactive element displaces a less reactive element, not less reactive element to more reactive. Just like as we take zinc with iron sulfate. Zinc color is silver, iron sulfate green color. After some time later we can say that this green color change into white. The formation of white color of solution that show the formation of zinc sulfate. The produced iron deposited on zinc that change into brown color. It means zinc displaced iron. जिंक ने जिंक सल्फेट से रिएक्शन में जिंक सल्फेट आयरन को डिस्प्लेस कर दिया. वी कैन से दैट जिंक इज मोर एक्टिव देन आयरन, आयरन इज मोर एक्टिव देन कॉपर. इट मींस जिंक इज मोर reactive than iron and iron is more active than copper. Can this reaction also take place? Copper sulfate plus iron sulfate plus copper. So will this reaction can take place or not? This reaction couldn't take place because copper is less reactive than iron. Copper iron से less reactive है, so copper does not displace the iron, so this reaction cannot be completed. It shows that what is displacement reaction? The chemical reaction in which a more reactive element displaces a less reactive element from its salt solution, that is called displacement reaction. Just like as when we put iron nails in copper sulfate solution, the solution color blue change into green. This shows the formation of iron sulfate and copper is displaced. So we can say that iron is more active than copper. Just like as when we put zinc into the copper sulfate or iron sulfate solution, zinc can also displaces copper sulfate. Why? Because zinc आयरन सल्फेट को डिस्प्लेस करे तो आयरन तो कॉपर से ज्यादा रिएक्टिव है, उसको भी कर देगा. So we can say that zinc is more reactive, the most reactive, iron is more reactive, and copper is less reactive. A more reactive element displaces less reactive, not a less reactive element to a more reactive element. This is the displacement reaction. Next one is double displacement reaction. What is double displacement reaction? The chemical reaction in which exchange of ion take place in reactant, that is called double displacement reaction. The chemical reaction in which exchange of ion take place in reactants, that chemical reaction is known as double displacement reaction. For example, Na2SO4 sodium sulfate when react with barium chloride, then reaction will take place. Barium chloride plus, barium sulfate plus sodium chloride, reaction balanced. Na and Cl के टूट हुए, कॉमन कर दिया बेरियम सल्फेट. इट मीन्स इसके अंदर क्या होगा कि ये हमारे रिएक्टेंट्स हैं. इस रिएक्टेंट के अंदर बेरियम ने तो सल्फेट के साथ एक्सचेंज कर लिया और सोडियम ने कर लिया क्लोरीन से. The chemical reaction in which exchange of ion take place, that chemical reaction is known as double displacement reaction. You can also show that NaCl. क्लियर. इसमें एक दूसरे से आयंस को एक्सचेंज कर लेते हैं. सो दिस केमिकल रिएक्शन इज नोन एज डबल डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन. इस डबल डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन जब भी होती है उसमें एक ऐसा सब्सटेंस बनता है विच इज नॉट सोल्यूबल इन वाटर. The chemical substance which is not soluble in water, that is called precipitate. In double displacement reaction, a chemical substance is produced which does not dissolve in water. Whenever any double displacement reaction can take place, a chemical substance is produced which does not dissolve in water. That insoluble substance is known as precipitate. That कौन सा does not dissolve means insoluble. That insoluble substance is called precipitate. What is precipitate? In double displacement reaction, a chemical substance is produced which is insoluble in water. That substance is known as precipitate. And the chemical reaction in which precipitate is formed, that is called precipitation reaction. तो next आ जाता है what is precipitation reaction. Precipitation reaction. The chemical reaction in which precipitate is formed, that is called precipitation reaction. देखो बड़े ध्यान से, व्हाट इज double displacement reaction? The chemical reaction in which exchange of ion take place in reactants, that is called double displacement reaction. We have already studied with the chemical equation. Next is, what is precipitate? In double displacement reaction, once a chemical substance is produced, एक केमिकल सब्सटेंस बनता है जैसे कि बेरियम सल्फेट बना, which is insoluble, which remains insoluble in water. This insoluble substance is known as PPT, बोले तो precipitate. And the chemical reaction in which precipitate is formed, that is called precipitation reaction. It means precipitation reaction are also known as double displacement reaction, or we can say that double displacement reaction always known as precipitation reaction. तो ये दोनों एग्जांपल हो सकते हैं. प्रेसिपिटेशन रिएक्शन होगी, उसी में कौन सी रिएक्शन होगी? डबल डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन. बिकॉज डबल डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन के अंदर प्रेसिपिटेट बनता है, और जिस रिएक्शन में प्रेसिपिटेट बनता है उसको बोलते हैं प्रेसिपिटेशन. इट मींस डबल डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन, सेकंड नेम इज प्रेसिपिटेशन रिएक्शन. क्लियर?